So we're now walking towards the parkland here just beside the Western Port Bay, and we're going just to have a bit of a walk around and see if we can find a barbecue area where I can cook up my steak. Wow, so cool. I found a barbecue area, so I'm going to cook my steak here. Oh, bonus, they're clean. Oh, and I see they're free. I should press the button and see if it works. Press and hold button until indicator light turns on. Wow. Well, what do you know, it's working. Well, I think we should set up here, shouldn't we? Well, things are heating up here. I should take off my backpack and give this a bit of a clean up and see how we get on without dropping microphones everywhere. Oh, I did bring some water just so that I can give this a bit of a clean off. Well, there's a bit of heat starting to come into this barbecue plate, so I'll just pour some water on and give it a bit of a rinse off. I think it's good just to carry a Coke bottle around just to clean things off with. And of course the steak that I've got, I dry brined it, so that should be good. And I do have some garlic bread just to cook up a little bit as well. Oh, this garlic butter certainly smells nice. I should stick my steak on and give it a sizzle up. And of course have myself a coffee while it cooks. Oh, a hot coffee, it's pretty hard to beat, and I think it's always good to go out with a thermos flask with one when we're out filming. And it is a little bit chilly today. I think it's probably about 55 degrees, so just perfect to have a hot cup of coffee. Oh, this bread is sticking, but never mind. Oh, I think our steak's getting very close to being done. That'll be just perfect. And I'm eating up this garlic bread as my steak cooks. Oh, I'd say we're about done, so take this off. And we'll let this rest for a minute and then I'll get into my steak. And of course I will clean this off a little bit since it's hot. But I will give this a real good scrub off a bit later after I've eaten, but I'll let this rest for about 5 minutes. This garlic bread or this garlic toast sure is good. Oh, I wish I brought some garlic butter with, as well as my garlic bread. Looks like I might have just cooked it a little bit too far. It's medium, not medium rare, but anyways, we're going to have a taste. Bon appetit. Oh yeah, that steak, it's sure delicious. But it's been a minute since I've had a steak, so it's good just to have one to take out with me special. Anyways, I shall continue eating. So now after eating, we'll just walk around a little bit more and have a bit of a look around the gardens. And then it'll be time for me to go home. Pelican Park walking trail. Awesome. Well, it certainly seems like a storm is rolling around. Anyways, if you watch this little video through to the very end, I thank you and I appreciate you so much. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and please do smash that little bell and choose all alerts. Also, please do share my video out with all your family and friends. I would love to have something go ballistic viral, and that would help me get back home to the States so much sooner. Also, please do consider becoming a member of my channel. A huge thank you to all the members on my channel, both paid members and also the members who I have gifted out memberships to, and YouTube has gifted out memberships to as well. Also, this sweater I have on is an example of what's on my merch store, so please do check that out. There is a shopping tab here on my channel, and there's also links down below in the description. Anyways, it is time to call it now. So take care, God bless, and until next time, bye bye.